When you have an underexposed photo, what that means is that it's very dark and it's hard to see a lot of your details. And sometimes you can boost and brighten it by going up to your adjustments and playing around with your brightness and contrast. And so that is just making your photo brighter. But sometimes when we make it brighter, we lose some of the shadows and details. So that's where contrast comes in as well. And sometimes you have a hard time correcting an underexposed photo. So if I was happy with this correction, I would click apply and I would want to save that. And I usually like to rename it. So I might name this edit. So underexposed bird edit or corrected. For example, this image of an underexposed photo of the train is very dark. And so it might be hard to bump up the brightness and contrast much with this one. I am seeing a little bit more detail, but you'll notice that I'm maxed out right here. And the contrast, if I move it to the left to make it lighter, I just lose a lot of the detail. So some photos are not as easy as others to correct. In this case, when you bumped up that brightness and contrast, you kind of lose the detail in the clouds and the sky. So some photos are beyond repair. So just make sure that you understand the difference.